Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. So today we are going to focus on 5 W's and 1 H and also reading comprehension. Okay, so 5 W's, 1 H is what, who, when, why, where and how. Okay, this is a questioning methods or a methods of 5 W's. Okay, okay. What is a thing or an actions? Okay, For example, what is your name? So, my name is Sophia. Okay, my name is Sophia. Okay, you have to put is here. How to answer is you can follow from the questions. Okay, what is your name? My name is Sophia. What is he doing? What is he doing? Okay, he is reading a book. Okay, because the questions got ing here, so the answer should be ing. Reading. Okay, he is reading a book. Okay, okay. Okay, next is who. Who is a person? A responsible person. Okay, look at the questions. Who works at a school? Okay, so the answer is Amira works at a school. Amira is a person. Okay, so Amira works at a school. So you can follow you can write the answer, okay, based on the questions here. Works at a school. So Amira works at a school. Okay. Okay, next question is who are they? Who are they? So they are, okay, arrange first. They are my cousins. Okay, my cousins should put S here because they refer to plural. Okay, they refer to plural. Okay. Okay, where is a place? Okay, where is a place or locations? Okay, look at this picture. Pizza shop, there is farm fair here, building or house. Okay, so look at the example. Where do you live? Okay, where do you live? So the answer should be I live in England. Okay, so England is a place. Okay, next, where are you from? I'm from Korea. Okay, Korea is a place. Okay, okay, when is a time. Okay, time such as at night, evening, morning. Okay, 6 o'clock, 7 a.m., 9 p.m. Okay, it refers to time. Okay, so look at the example. When do you usually get up? Okay, so the answer is I get up at 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 o'clock is the time. Okay, when is your birthday? My birthday is on 19 October 2020. Okay, so if you see is here, so the answer we can also put is on the answer. Okay, okay, why? Okay, why? Okay, why refer to reason? Okay, why refer to reason? Okay, for example, why are you crying? I'm sick. Okay, why? Okay, why are you crying? I'm sick. Okay, okay, how? How is the way something is or the way something happens? Okay, how old are you? I'm 20 years old. How is she? She is pretty. Okay. How are you? I'm fine. Okay. So this is how it will look like. Okay. Okay. So this is a reading comprehensions. Okay, comprehension. So you need to read this passage first. Okay, the short passage here. Okay. Okay. So you have to read. This is Jamie. He is 8. He likes to play guitar. He wants to be a guitarist. Okay. So look at the first questions. Who is this? Okay, who is this? Who refers to a person. So who is this? Okay, this is Jamie. Okay, how old is he? He is 8. Okay, what does he like? He likes to play guitar. Okay, play guitar. What does he like? Play guitar. What he wants to be? He wants to be a guitarist. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. So you have to complete all the exercises and you can pass up to me on Friday. That's all for today. Thank you.